I'm gonna let her direct. I'm gonna let her
That's the bag.
I'm gonna let you
And they Santa Claus. Ooh.
Why don't you decorate them?
No, I don't want to decorate. We're gonna decorate together. Just put the icing anywhere. Come on.
No, we gotta put the top on. We gotta put the top on the box, Shelly. Come on, man. Come on. We gotta get the stuff. Come on. Put it on the sides here.
What's up, Ken and Rema Squad? What's going on, everybody?
What's going on, y'all?
Welcome back to the channel. It's your girl Rema here. Personal jinx.
Say no.
It's your girl Rema here.
And it's your boy Team Ken. You feel me? Go ahead and spam it up in the comments. You know what time it is, right? Because
and we are back with another video.
Bang, you feel
Today
me?
is Vlogmas Day
8. You feel me?
Ooh, we ate that strong, you guys.
Let me tell you, throw up your 8. So now y'all see her talk all that stuff about me. How is this 8? Now she ain't got these thumbs up. What? She threw it. Whatever, y'all. Look, just let them know what we got going.
7, 8. This is weird though. So 8 is better.
8,
like,
you guys.
It's easier. Like
or it's supposed to be like this. If y'all seen the last vlog, this is how it really should be.
Day 8.
Yeah. Okay.
Wait.
Anyways, like
Day
I said.
8, guys. Okay. Today we
Can't
are
tell nobody
going
how to throw it
to
up.
be doing something so fun.
Okay, keep going. I ain't stopping you.
Today we are going to, you gotta do it with me.
Y'all, she lit.
Today we are, no, I didn't do all that. No, do it with me.
Can I get some lip gloss too?
Come on, today we are going to be doing something so fun. Hey, dab on them cakes, dab on them.
Hey.
Hey.
Hey, we about to get into it, right? We about to be doing something fun today. We about to be making a gingerbread train though this time. It would have been the house, but
It's a Santa Claus train.
we couldn't find it, guys. So
Yeah, so we went to Target. The one that we wanted wasn't there. The other ones didn't have the best candy.
and they lied to us and told us it was there, but
And they didn't.
whatever,
So
you guys.
Target, or if you work at Target and you see this, you ship me a gingerbread
House.
village. Cause I wanted the village for my village.
Yeah, what we getting? So show them what we got.
But
we made
I
it
got
work.
this
though.
one instead.
We made it happen for y'all. You know what I'm
Ta-da! It's the holiday train, and it comes with the back piece, the caboose, I guess this is called, the engine, the caboose, and it has a little Santa Claus.
saying? And it has a little Santa in there, y'all.
And then it comes with like a whole bunch of other stuff, which is the cookies,
Got different color
the
dyes.
icing, the different color icing, and then some gummy candy, mini bead candy, and some gumdrops candy, which I'm not gonna eat none of the candy.
I'm gonna eat the candy.
Yes.
So-
But now we're gonna open it and see.
But we're gonna make this like a competition, you guys, and we're gonna put a wager on. What's the wager? Gonna make like a $500 bet or what? Whoever wins get $500.
Give me $500 anyway.
Hey, I mean, I know what I could do with an extra $500. What could you guys do with an extra $500?
I know what I could do with an extra $500. All right, $500 bet.
$500 bet. Y'all seen it on the flow. You feel me?
Okay, so gummy candy. I
those
might
get
eat
8.
these candies.
Those might get 8 before we even
These
get
are
to
mine. Okay, so gummy
Those
candy,
might get 8 before.
white icing, red icing. This is
Red
the
ice.
other kind of, the other icing. So you need to knead this since you have the bigger, warmer hands. Here, make this warm. Like, squeeze it, make it warm. Seriously, do it right. Okay.
Kiddo. Oh, look at that.
Green icing.
That's green icing.
So this is for Santa Claus. Then the gumdrops. Babe, knead it. Do it right. Make it soft.
Girl, I'm doing what I'm supposed to do. Mind your business over there.
These are the stands for like so the Santa Claus can stand on it. I can see you. So the Santa Claus can stand on it, and then these are the mini bead candies.
Hope you can see you getting on my nerves.
And
what is this for?
We have the cookies. Eat the cookies. They smell so good. Oh.
Wow, I didn't know they were that big though.
Oh.
The pieces are that big. You said you want to do the big side. I get the little side.
I get the little side. I don't want to do the big side. What? Fart. Oh no, guys. My cookie is broken. I hope this is not an important piece because I'm so sad about that right here.
Oh,
So Target, if you're really watching, send me another one. Y'all already inconvenienced me enough today, don't you think?
God, we got a broken cookie. No, but we gotta make it just like the picture though, babe.
Yeah, I'm not an artsy person, so I'm not really good
So
at
I'm gonna
this.
set the here, y'all. I'm gonna let y'all see the picture. So whoever makes it here is like the picture wins the $500. Or we're gonna let them decide and then.
Yeah, we can let them decide, y'all. Pick.
But y'all gotta Team Ken all down in the comments. Don't listen to her. Like I can't see her.
Me.
I can see you.
Pick me.
I can
If
see
you love
and
me,
I'm not done.
pick me. Because obviously, y'all know.
This
Y'all
supposed to
just gotta
be-
root for your girl anyway.
It's supposed to be the strong stuff that keep it together. All right,
Okay,
y'all,
I'm
let's
a
see.
dab
Let
on
the
you
games.
guys. I mean, not on you guys, but I don't really even understand what that means. But
Okay, but we
anyways.
gotta let the games begin now. Okay, so we're gonna let them see it.
Okay, so
Okay, we let them see it, and now we're gonna put it in front
cut
of
the
us.
cookies open.
We're gonna put it in front of us, and we're gonna divide.
Okay, and then we're gonna go from there. It's already broken, so I'm gonna try to not break it some more. Here, put this in the box.
Wow.
And I'm not trying to make a mess because y'all know I'm not about to clean this up. Maybe Kenneth would clean it up for me because he loves me so much. In the holiday spirit. Ooh, they smell so good. I just want to
Ooh,
eat
they
them.
do smell
And by the
good.
way, you guys can eat this afterwards.
It's edible, guys.
Yes, and
It's
your
edible.
mommy can go get it for you because they're only like $10 at Target, I think.
Yeah, it's like
you
10
know,
bucks.
10, 11 bucks
10
or
bucks,
not. I think it
guys.
was like $9.99, no tax. So,
No taxes on there either, guys.
so your mom can get it for you, or moms go get it for your kids and do something with
What's that
them.
for again?
Just to put it on there.
Oh,
Like,
this
these
the
are
card?
like the stands. So it's directions on the back of it. Look, turn it to the back so we can see the directions.
Yeah, but I want to make sure mine look like that.
Okay, so this is the front of the caboose. Right there. Here.
Okay, let me decorate my front first.
Okay,
Alright, just put
and
the
this
pieces in
is Fat Santa Claus right here, which I don't know which is his head. Oh, this might be his shoes. And this is a little big old forehead.
Okie dokie.
And
That was the piece?
yeah, that was a broken piece.
That was the one that was already broken? Okay, you just gotta get some of this putty.
And the tires. And I don't know what the rest of this is.
That's
the
the
windows
carriage.
or something.
That's your carriage, I think. I think all I need is these two, a top piece. I need the top piece, which I think you
this.
broke. What is this?
No, there's like 4 pieces of these. So it's a lot. So I'm gonna start with decorating the Santa Claus first, and then we're gonna go from here. Okay, so this is part A, right? This is A. Okay. This is B.
Okay, so
Right.
what you messed up with that?
Okay, and this is C, D, and L, C, D, L, H. This is G. The tires are H and J, and then this is. Okay, this is J and K. So it says arrange the base clips, make them into a triangle, and then put A and B on them. So this is for you.
Exactly.
Okay,
All this is.
and this is E. You have to break this piece
Wow.
into 3 pieces, E, F, and G. So I'm gonna leave you responsible for that because I
Don't try to
can't do
play
that
me.
because Y'all, I'm gonna break it and then he's gonna be mad that he even gave it to me. Like, why did you do that?
Okay, so where your pieces
REMA.
at? Get all your stuff out the way.
Okay, so I get J, L,
You get that too, don't you?
M, and K.
Don't you get
So I
this?
get J, K,
Yeah, that's
and
yours.
L.
So you're responsible for that.
Okay,
Thank you.
you're welcome. And then these are yours. These 3 are yours.
Yeah, these are my windows.
So you
I
gotta
told you,
figure
bro.
that, fix that. And then I got the Santa Claus.
Yeah.
Okay.
Now, move this box up out the way, y'all. And then let me get started. Okay, so I gotta make this like that. Make this like that. I'm gonna fast forward this up a little bit, you guys.
Yeah, because we don't want to bore you guys with this part
Eventually.
eventually, at one point, at some point. But let's get started. First, I want to see what my Santa Claus looks like. How do you guys think my Santa Claus is looking so far? Do he look like Santa? He looks like Santa to me.
Sure, this the part.
Yeah, you have to break it.
Boy, they made the pictures look so sweet. They look slick so. Oh, dang. Boy, they know how to make the pictures look so sweet. Don't they? Don't they?
They do. I'm trying to follow the picture.
And that picture ain't doing no justice to nobody. They lied to me. This hood don't go on here.
Okay, y'all. So Santa Claus is done. You see him? He looks so cute. Does my Santa Claus look so cute, or what?
Oh yeah, I like your Santa Claus. He's nice.
Okay. So now that Santa Claus is done, I can start working on the back part. Get the icing and be generous. Don't be stingy with it.
You got the box Chevy over here looking crazy. Okay.
Okay, so
So the camera went out on me.
my house is slipping because Ken is sitting here cursing my house
He's a lie.
because he can't put his stuff together.
But my stuff's sticking though. Look.
So this is my house, my gingerbread house. See how detailed? It's so pretty. And I got the candies on there. I think I'm done. Well, I'm gonna maybe add like a little bit more candy and then stick my Santa Claus. Ooh, you see that? That's the front.
I'm gonna let her direct. I'm gonna let her
That's the back.
I'm gonna let you
And they Santa Claus. Ooh.
I want you decorate them.
No, I don't want to decorate. We're gonna decorate together. Just put the icing anywhere. Come on.
No, we gotta put the top on. Gotta put the top on the box Chevy. Come on, man. Come on. You gotta get the stuff. Come on. Put it on the sides here. Right here. Oh, yeah, just put it all on the top of that. Just put it all out like that. Put it on both sides. And then I'm gonna make it happen.
Alright, we just built a Ram truck, guys. Not a Ram truck, but we are Chevy people now.
Yeah, but this ain't even no Chevy. This is a Tesla, the new one.
Oh yeah, this is the Tesla truck, guys.
Alright, y'all, we on our last finishing touches. Put them back in the trunk.
I don't want them in the trunk.
Put them in the trunk. That's like the picture. Y'all, tell us if we did a good job. We're about to show y'all and reveal y'all. And we're about to do like a slow motion reveal. You know?
Okay.
See the creamy tree. Okay, you guys. So, did we do a good job?
I did a good job. Look at my Santa Claus.
Look at our Santa. Look, you guys. Oh, snap. So this is the final result, man. They got a picture. And then, yeah. You know, stuff is never like the picture though, guys. So don't get fooled by these little... Oh, wait. This is the best part of it all, right? We get to dig in and eat it.
We're gonna eat it now?
Yeah, what are we gonna do?
We're gonna save it.
We're not gonna save it. Come on.
Alright, guys.
Alright, you guys, so that about concludes everything. That about wraps it up. Wait, where my phone at? Here, hold this. Let me go get on my post notification.
Okay, while he does that, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you make a Christmas tree, then take a picture of it. Tag me on Instagram. Yeah, I mean the gingerbread house. Tag me on it. Take a picture.
Come on, we see.
If you need to know my Instagram, just go back to the beginning of the video. It's gonna be right there. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you guys love my Santa Claus, cause he is fly. Ooh.
Super fly. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna give out 2 shout outs because we do love you guys and you guys are very awesome and you guys make the channel, you feel me? So today's post notification goes out to Chini Budan TV, and then the second post notification goes out to Love and To Cherish.
I do.
You know what I'm saying? So we appreciate you guys. We do love you guys. And yeah, man. Oh, and then I'm sorry, and the third one goes out to Jazz the Angel Show. You feel me? We ain't gonna forget about y'all, man. So that's 3 post notifications now. We spreading the love.
All I have is my balls.
Having a great Christmas, man. We
I don't break them for no reason.
Growing our love every day. You know what I'm saying? Stronger each and every day. You feel me? Damn, that's good. Anyways, y'all, let's get to it, gang. I'm on my way to 20K, 2020, y'all.
Hey, wait, where you going? If you like this video, you gonna love the next one. Let's get it, gang, on 2019. Gang shit.